EVS class. Children, today I am going to teach you all lesson 3, our body, given in page number 3 of your EVS book. So our today's topic is our body. Dear children, as we all know that we have different body parts. We all have different body parts in our body. Each body part has different names, and each body parts performs different functions, performs various functions. So let us know about our different body parts first. You can see that there is a picture of a boy. There is a picture of a boy. It is just similar picture. This is a just similar picture as it is given in your book. So let us mark or label with different parts of our body. I have already labeled the first part of the body. This part is called as hair. This part is called as hair. This is eyes. This is eyes. This is ear. This part is ear. This part is called neck. Now, this pink part. This pink part is our tongue. We have one nose and one mouth. Inside our mouth, we have one tongue. And the color of our tongue is pink. So this pink part is called as tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. This is our mouth. And this is called as our head. Head. This is our nose. How many noses do we have, children? We have one nose. Now, let us mark the other parts of our body. This is arm. This part of our body is called as arm. This part of our body is called as shoulder. Shoulder. And this is our hand. This is called finger. How many fingers do we have, children? We have 10 fingers in both our hands. We have 10 fingers in both our hands. 5 fingers in each hand. Now, the next one is, this is called thigh. This is called thigh. And this part of our body is called as chest. This part of our body is called as chest. Now this one is our leg. This one is our leg. This part is called as knee. And like our fingers, we have 10 toes. We have 10 toes. So this part is called as toes. We have 10 toes. And this is foot. This is foot. So, these are our different body parts. Starting from the top, this one is hair and this one is head. This part is called as ears. This is our nose. This part of our body is called ear. This is tongue and we have one mouth. This part of our body is called chest. And this one is arms. This one is called, this is our shoulder. This is our shoulder. Yes. And these are our fingers. These are our fingers. Now this part of our body is called thigh. This is knee. And this one is leg. And the bottom part is foot. And like fingers, we have toes. We have 10 toes all in a row. You have already talked about this in lesson 1, Meet Us, that we have 10 toes all in a row. So these are our different body parts and its name. Let's read about its functions. What are the functions performed by these body parts? So, now I am going to explain you about different functions performed by different body parts. Head. The top part of our body is called as head. Next one is eyes. Our eyes helps us to see. Again, the next one is nose. We have 2 eyes to see. We have one nose to smell. We have one nose to smell. We have one nose to breathe. Like our eyes, we have 2 ears. This part is called as ears. Children, our ear helps us to hear. We have already discussed it about in the first lesson that our ear helps us to hear. Whenever someone calls us, we use our ears to hear. Mouth. We eat food with the help of our mouth. Next one is hands. Our hands help us in many ways. Our hands perform different functions. What are the functions that our hands perform? With the help of our hand, we can clap. With the help of our hands, we can clap. We can eat food by using our hands, or we can write by using our hands. I can draw a picture by using my hands. So, all of us can do various functions by using our hands. Our hands helps us to write, our hands help us to eat, to draw, or to wave, or to clap. We have one neck. This portion of our body is called as neck. Now, the next one is shoulder. This portion of our body is called as shoulder. And this is our arms. Arms is a part of our hand. Arm is a part of our hand. Okay, children. Now moving towards below this part. This part you can see that this part of our body is called as thigh. And this is our leg. Our leg helps us to walk. Our legs helps us to stand. Our leg helps us to walk or run. We can also step on ground with our feet. And how many toes do we have? We have 10 toes like our fingers. So these are different parts of our body which performs various functions. Here you can see, children, in your book that there is a picture similar to this picture that I have drawn for you on this board. You will also learn all these body parts in your home. At your home, you will learn all these body parts at your home. One amazing fact that I would like to share with you is that, children, do you know that how many bones do we have? Inside our body, there are bones. There are bones. Our body is a structure based on bones. Inside our body, we have total 206 bones. 206 bones. Isn't it amazing? It is an amazing fact, children, that our whole body is a framework of bones, and we have 206 bones in our body. Here, in page number 4 of your EVS book, you can see that there is a rhyme based on your body parts. Let us read about it. We have 2 eyes to see with. As I have explained you that we see with our eyes. So, this rhyme is telling we have 2 eyes to see with. We have 2 feet to run. Our feet helps us to run. We have 2 hands to wave. We wave with our hands. Next one is, and nose we have but one. We have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 legs, but we have only one nose. We have 2 ears to hear with. We can hear with the help of our ear. With the help of our ear, we can hear. Now the next one is, and a tongue to say good day. We have, how many tongues do we have, children? We have one tongue. Here you can see that in the picture I have already drawn. A tongue is a part of our body, a part of our mouth. You can see your tongue inside your mouth. The color of tongue is pink. You can see here. The color of tongue is pink. And with the help of our tongue, we say good day. We say good day with the help of our tongue. Now, see this one. See each part of the body carefully and tell us how many do you have. Children, you have to do this at your own. You have to do this at your home. This is you have to identify the body part. Which part is this? This part, this is our nose. And how many nose do we have? We have one nose. This is lip. We have the color of lip is pink. We have one lip. Ears. Sorry, eyes. Which part of body is this? Eyes. So, we have 2 eyes. So, you will write here 2. You have to write the number of body parts. So, you will write nose. This is nose. We have one nose, one lips, 2 eyes and ear. Which part of body is this? This is our ear. We have 2 ears. So, you will write here 2. Hand. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. So, children, you will write here 2. Next one is leg. Which body part is this? This is this body part. So, leg. How many legs do we have? We have 2 legs. With the help of our legs, we run. We can stand. Now, turn to page number 5, children. 5. We have 5 sense sense organ do we have, children? First of all, I would like to ask you all that what do you know about sense organ? There are many body parts which I have taught you just now, that we have different body parts. Each body parts have different names. Each body parts perform different functions. But now we will read about sense organs. We will read about sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? But before this, we will read about that what is sense organ. The question is, what do you understand by sense organ? What do you mean by sense organs? Sense organs. The organs or the parts of our body. Organs means the part of our body which helps us to see, which helps us to hear, which helps us to taste, which helps us to feel, and which helps us to smell is called as sense organ. We have total 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Our eyes helps us to see. Our nose helps us to smell. Our ear helps us to hear. And our tongue helps us to this part. Our tongue helps us to taste. And our skin helps us to feel. Our body is totally covered with skin. Our whole body is covered with our skin. This part of our body is called as skin. Our whole body is covered with skin. And children, do you know that our skin helps us to feel? We can feel with the help of our skin. So these 5 organs, these 5 body parts are called as sense organs. Let us recall its name for one more time. The organs which helps us to see, which helps us to hear, which helps us to smell, which helps us to taste, and which helps us to feel are called as sense organ. There are 5 sense organs. Okay, children? So, with the help of our eyes, we can see. With the help of our nose, we can smell. And with the help of our ears, we can hear. And our tongue helps us to taste. And with the help of our skin, we can feel. Whenever someone pinches you, or when an ant bites you, you can feel with the help of your skin. So our skin helps us to feel. This is all about our body parts, children. I hope you will like this video and you will also learn different body parts at your home and you will enjoy this video.